Midship.
Midship. Midship.
Okay. Starboard 5. Midship.
Midship. Midship.
Okay. Port 5. Okay. Midship. Starboard 10. Midship. Ready. Starboard 10. Starboard 15. 20. Coming to starboard is easy. Very good. Easy. Starboard 10. Don't forget, Captain. Starboard 20. Very. Okay, 15. Keep 15 is good. Very good. 10. Easy, come to start. Captain, slow head.
Slow head.
In 2 miles you drop down. In 2 miles you drop down. You are here, huh? You change. All the time. Together.
Yes.
Correct? Together. Whole team.
Last time, no.
No.
Another chip of Hold 5.
Because him, this first time, he didn't see you.
Yes, I just bypass it.
Midship.
With you, steady, Captain. That's slow, yeah? Make
Slow.
that slow.
Good.
That's slow.
That's
Easy,
slow.
that's slow. You remember maneuver
slow,
here, yeah? You remember maneuvering here. We coming easy, maximum 3 to 4 knots. Turning.
Hello. Good day.
Get slow ahead.
Very good. That's slow. Keep that slow.
2 minuti كمان ويضرب عنك.
2.
اوكي thank you. حطيت الصالون يا عشا مشان البروستا جاي.
Easy to starboard. Captain, if you stop engine, you have steering. Huh?
Now current with us.
Now it's 6.4.
Now it will go down.
We keep like this. We stop engine. We need to go in dropping
Ahead
3.4.
for maneuvering.
Easy. You remember. We drop starboard anchor. 1.5 shackles. He put brake.
Yeah.
You see 1.5, very important. Otherwise, you lose the chain. Your vessel is very heavy. If you cannot put, finish. You cannot do it. Coming easy to start.
سليمان. يا سليمان. أول شيء حط اليميني في النص وبدك تهدي على الفرام بوضع 10 على الفرام. إذا نزل الفرام نقطعه. نخف الوقور عليه ونخش الوقور عليه.
Midship.
هيك بالضبط. أكثر من نص.
Steady.
تمام يا فندم.